Hiya, my name's Ellie and me and my boyfriend Ryan have got a TikTok channel called cottage_reno, and today we're having a new door installed by Palladio doors. Me and my boyfriend have been renovating this property and the last thing to sort out was the door. This door, it sticks when you try to close it, so we're hoping that this new door will be able to actually get out of the house much easier. As we've renovated the property, the interior is very modernised, so now we're hoping to get a new door that will match that interior, as well as look lovely on the outside. This new door is black and we've got some features in the house that are also black in colour, so we're hoping that this will all tie in really well together. So we've just had our new front door fitted by Palladio doors and we're so happy with it. We've just got the new keys, we're really excited about it. We love the colour, we love that the white contrasts with the black and it also matches the windows of the house as well. And it really brings the whole house together. I feel like it's finally complete. So we've got a new lock system as well with our handle and it matches the letterbox and the keyhole as well. It's just brilliant. So I'll show you the inside as well. So as you can see now, there's no stick with the door, which is perfect. And the interior matches our interior doors. So we've got this same ribbed effect as well. So it all brings in perfectly. It's all tied together really nice. So we're really happy with it. So we can't recommend Palladio doors enough.